here is Diesel 10. So so it's gonna be awesome to play with him. And so yeah.